Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Aaron from Ollie. So today in this video, we're going to talk about easy ordering or simplifying the ordering process. So I have to imagine, all of you out there, you're either probably going to be using spreadsheets for your ordering, or you're using a software of some sorts. So if you're using spreadsheets, as I know from past experience, this can be very difficult and time consuming in kind of piecing your orders together. You've got a spreadsheet that usually has your inventory. You usually then have spreadsheets that have your recipes on them. And really, what you have to do then is you have to piece together, what recipes you guys are brewing upcoming. Then you're pulling all of the quantities of those materials that you need to utilize for that batch. And then you're referencing the quantities of, those grains, hops, even packaging materials against what your current inventory is in the system. Once you've kind of compiled all of that, seeing what you currently have and what you need for ordering and doing that subtraction of what actually needs to be put on the order, then you have to compile it into usually an email that is sent to your vendor to then place the order. And then there's the whole process of once it's actually received, receiving it into inventory. So even if you're using a software, you may be missing one of those pieces. So maybe that software is compiling your inventory, but it's not compiling the recipes during a time period and telling you, everything that you need to order for that. Or maybe it's compiling the recipes, telling you what you need to order, but maybe it's not referencing it against your current inventory. Or maybe it's doing both of those pieces, but it's not then taking that and easily putting it together into a purchase order for the vendors that you need. Those are all processes that really can become time consuming and then take time out of your days that you could be using on the floor, where you might need to give more of your time to. So in today's video, we're going to go through the process where if you are utilizing Ollie, that's going to help you with that. So we're going to go through the process of how Ollie can really take your current inventory, what you need to order, compile it into purchase orders, and do all of that seamlessly in a few minutes for you, and then give you back some of that time in your day. Let's dive right into it, and we'll go through that process of what that looks like and how Ollie can help.
Order simplification happens with a few simple steps in the system. So whether you are doing this for ingredients, raw materials, or packaging materials. So let's start on the raw material side of things. So first thing you're going to want to do is schedule your batches. So on your tab here, you can go ahead, schedule those batches out, and you can schedule them as far out as you would like, which will help with your ordering process. Once those batches are scheduled, in your reports, you will then have the raw material forecast tool. So by clicking into this, it is then pulling a list of all of your raw materials. You can set an end date, and by doing that and filtering, it will then pull a list of all the materials that you need to order. You can then simply generate purchase orders from there. The system will pull, the quantities that you need. You can set up vendors, and then it's as simple as clicking generate to then generate those draft purchase orders for those vendors and ingredients. On the packaging side of things, once those batches are scheduled out for the future, you can then go into your scheduled batches and you can schedule a packaging run in the system. Once this packaging run is scheduled, it's the same process as your raw materials, but done with the packaging material forecast tool. It will then pull the scheduled packaging materials based on your bill of materials, and then you can simply generate POs and generate those into draft purchase orders on that tab. So this should help save a whole lot of time, whether you are in spreadsheets or in other software systems as well.
So today we've shown how Ollie can really help streamline that ordering process and just simplify it for you. So whether that is, taking you out of spreadsheets or just cutting down the amount of admin work that you might be spending in another software. I know at the last brewery that I was at, this was greatly helpful both when I was in spreadsheets transitioning to a tool like this, as well as using another software that just wasn't as intuitive when it came to the ordering process. To see more videos, please subscribe to our Ollie YouTube channel. If you have any questions, feel free to drop those in the comments. We will be looking at them, and hopefully we'll be making more videos based on your feedback and questions that you all have. If you are an existing Ollie customer that has a question or a problem that you need resolved, please click that support button in your Ollie system and reach out to our support team. If you are not yet an Ollie customer, but you are interested in checking the system out more, please feel free to go to getollie.com. You can submit a request form there. Someone from our team will reach out so that we can schedule a call and a demo with you to talk more about the system. Thanks so much for joining me today, and have a great day.